Hi reception, today I'm going to explore grouping with you. So the past 2 weeks we've done sharing, and grouping is like the opposite of sharing. So what do you think we might do if we group? So grouping is when we have lots and lots of people that each have a certain amount of things, and we want to find out how many there are all together. So I'll give you an example. If I have 5 friends and they each have 2 cakes, how many do they have all together? Okay, I've got my cup friends ready to help me solve the problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they each have how many? 2 each. Ready? 2 for the first one, 2 for the second one, 2 for the third one, 2 for the fourth one, and 2 for the fifth one. Do they each have 2 each? Yes. Let's count all together. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 all together. So if I have 5 friends and they each have 2, there will be 10 all together. Let's have a go at writing that as a number sentence. Okay, so I had 5 friends and they each had 2. They could have 2 cakes, they could have 2 cubes, anything you like. All together, there is 10. So 5 friends each have 2. All together is 10. So another way to say this would be 5 times 2 is the same as 10. Okay, are you ready to do another one? Let's rub out my number sentence. This time I have 3 friends and they each have 4 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do they each have 4? Yes. Let's count how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I have 3 friends and they each have 2. Do they have 2? No, they had 4. If they each had 4, all together they have 12. So 3 times 4, 3 groups of 4 is 12. Can you see I have 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4 is 12 altogether. Okay, let's do one more. This time I have 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they each have 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they've each got 3 cubes. Shall we count how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I have 4 friends and they each have 3 cubes, altogether there's 12. Because I have 4 groups of 3. 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3. All together makes 12. Okay, I would like to see if you can have a go at solving some problems. Maybe your grown-up could give you some problems, or you could think of your own. And I would like you to see how many groups you have and how many is in each group, and see if you can write it as a number sentence like Miss Shevlin.